We strive diligently to meet our financial requirements and attain personal aspirations. However, a crucial aspect of life should be prioritized, which is proper retirement planning. To enjoy a stress-free retirement, it becomes imperative to have a regular stream of income. Whether buying Max Life Smart Wealth Annuity Guaranteed Swag Pension Plan is a good decision to lead a peaceful retirement life. In this video, let us analyze Max Life Smart Wealth Annuity Guaranteed Swag Pension Plan. This analysis will help you to make those informed investment decisions. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Max Life Swag Pension Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual general annuity savings plan. The main features are enjoy guaranteed lifelong income, wide range of annuity variants to suit your retirement needs, option to choose premium payment, either single premium or limited premium. Plan your retirement early with the deferred annuity variant and choose when you want to start receiving a guaranteed income stream. Get back the part or the entire premium amount upon death or upon reaching a significant age or milestone as chosen at inception. Next, we shall look at the annuity variants available under Max Life Swag Pension Plan. This table consolidates the various annuity plans available under Max Life Swag Pension Plan. There is a combination of various features like immediate or deferred annuity, with or without return of premium or early return of premium, single or joint life option. Based on your premium payment, deferment period and return of premium, the annuity amount varies. One has to be cautious while choosing the variant. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Max Life Swag Pension Plan. Advantages: wide range of annuity plans to choose from. Advanced annuity options is available under select variants. Premium payment, deferment period and annuity frequency can be chosen as per convenience. Ensure consistent payment at regular intervals for a minimum defined period, irrespective of the survival of the annuitant. Stay ahead of inflation and boost your annual income with increasing annuity variants. Ease the financial burden on your loved ones by enhancing your regular income to 110% after your demise. Disadvantages: annuity is fully taxable. The plan can be surrendered only under select variants. Some of the options like step-up annuity and return of premium are available under select variants. Now let us estimate the returns for Max Life Swag Pension Plan using the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. Annuity plans are one of the most preferred investment options for retirees. Regular and steady income is the most attractive feature of the annuity plans. Other than the cash flow pattern, the investment plan should be analyzed in terms of returns and liquidity. A 60-year-old female buys Max Life Swag Immediate Annuity Single Life with Death Benefit. She invests a single premium of Rs 1 crore and opts for the return of 50% of total premium upon her demise. This will provide her with a steady income of Rs 7,70,400 as long as she lives. Upon her death at age 80, the lump sum death benefit of Rs 50 lakhs is paid to her nominee and the policy terminates. The IRR for this cash flow is 6.31%. Steady income with lower return is not ideal for a retiree because inflation eats away the purchasing power of annuity down the lane. Even if you invest the corpus in bank FD, you earn better returns and you can enjoy liquidity. Here in Max Life Swag, your corpus is tied up and you can't redeem your corpus anytime. That is, surrender is available only under select variants with restrictions. There are various investment avenues available to secure a consistent income stream, particularly catering to the needs of senior citizens, which offer relatively higher interest rates. These include Senior Citizen Savings Scheme with an interest rate of 8.20%, bank fixed deposit ranging from 7 to 8%, and RBI floating rate bond at 8.05% with a floating interest rate. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme and bank FDs assured fixed returns over the term, while the interest rate on RBI floating bonds may fluctuate. However, these options overlook a crucial aspect called inflation. To ensure a regular income that keeps pace with the inflation, it is imperative to incorporate equity into the investment portfolio. By periodically rebalancing the portfolio every 5 or 6 years, one can potentially achieve returns adjusted for inflation. Let us assume that 60% of 1 crore is invested in equity for wealth creation and the balance 40% in debt for regular income needs. Equity returns is assumed as 12% and debt return as 6%. Every 5 years, debt portion is replenished from equity. Also, every 5 years, your annual withdrawal increases by 6% to combat inflation. The first year annuity amount is assumed similar to Max Life Swag pension plan, that is 7.7 lakhs. Here, the equity portion is completely transferred to debt at the age of 71. You can decide this based on your willingness to take risk. Even if we shift the entire corpus to debt, the corpus outlives you. In Max Life Swag pension plan, you get a 50% return of premium on debt, which is 50 lakhs. In this alternate investment strategy, at the age of 81, you are left with a corpus of 1 crore, which is double that of the earlier scenario. On the whole, in this alternate strategy, you get inflation adjusted income and you can enjoy full liquidity in your investment. Both these aspects are missing in Max Life Swag pension plan. Here is our final verdict on Max Life Swag pension plan. The plan offers a wide range of plan options covering immediate annuity, deferred annuity, with and without return of premium, single and joint life. Though there is a plenty of options, the regular steady stream of income is the common feature. Only the amount of annuity differs based on the permutation and combination of other options chosen. The steady source of income from Max Life Swag pension plan cannot be considered as a primary source of income, as your expenses will keep on increasing due to inflation. Investing in Max Life Swag pension plan cannot be a one-stop solution to park your retirement corpus. There are plenty of investment vehicles with better returns. These investment vehicles also offer a steady income. You should consider equity asset class to maintain your standard of living. As discussed in the alternate investment strategy, you can split your retirement corpus and invest in equity and debt. In this strategy, you get a regular stream of income, inflation adjusted income, and corpus outlives you. In general, annuity plans are short sighted, but retirement planning requires a long term approach. So, if you wish to have a personalized retirement planning, consult a financial advisor. A detailed blog post on Max Life Swag pension plan is available in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.